man, what did you do?
Alright, what's up everyone? You're gonna fall. Put my boots on. We are at AOAA again. We're gonna be off-roading today. Not sure how much footage I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna attempt to get some footage and get a full video out of it. Changing boots. Hopefully it's not as muddy as last time, because there was mud everywhere in my car, and there's still mud, I think, from last time, and that was over a month ago. Wish us luck. So that was trail 100 while we're still on it. A lot rockier than I would have thought it would have been, but it's pretty damn cool. Some of the off-camera stuff is a little stressful, especially because you just think you're gonna tip over. Not too bad though. Going lined up. Oh, I don't have the thing. Just send it, Wes. He's got it. Put the puddles. Stop for lunch. Back on the road. I don't know what trails we're on, so I can't help it. We're gonna start heading back, I think, towards the main entrance of the place. It's 2 o'clock now. By the time we get there, probably after 3. I'm considering heading home after this. This is a 3-hour ride home. We'll see, but not too bad. Pretty fun. A lot less muddy than last time. A lot more rocky this time. You're good. Continue that path, you're fine. Four-wheel drive's not working in this truck. We're killing it. Killing it. Killing it. That's your running, that's your step. Yeah, I would.
Alright, so this is roughly about a month later than all that footage you just saw, and I just got around to editing the video and realized I didn't have anything to close it out with. So off-roading, awesome time. There's a couple issues with the truck I had to fix after off-roading. They're fixed. One of them will be on video. I did make a video on fixing one of them. It was a CV boot tore because I lost some bolts and stuff shifted, and thank God we're home. You saw me back into the tree. My fault, I'm an idiot. But got new taillights out of it. I could probably find a paintless dent repair guy to pull the rest of it out, but I do have a little bit of a video pulling out most of it and then buffing it. So it looks pretty, I see it all the time because I know it's there, but you really don't even notice it. Thanks for joining me on this one. Might go again soon, I don't know, we'll see. I do have some front suspension on order just because my front shock was leaking a little bit, and just gonna do the upgrade now instead of waiting down the road, since so far this truck's a keeper. So let's make it 100%. Thanks for joining me. I will see you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below if you want to tell us how much we suck at off-roading. Only the second time going. But see you guys in the next one. Subscribe. Not so sure what's coming up soon, but I do have a couple videos backlogged for the truck and maybe one for the 240. I don't know. My friend just got a new car too, so we'll dig into that eventually. And I do have a video to upload about that, something else. But see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Bye.